Hi girlies, hi my lovelies, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So in today's video I want to unbox and reveal a small little teeny weeny Louis Vuitton item. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. So yeah, you guys, I want to do a quick little Louis Vuitton reveal as well as just kind of organize the current bag that I'm in, my Louis Vuitton Monceau. So that should be fun, right? So I figured I'd keep you guys along with me while I go ahead and do that. But before we do that, remember to go ahead and give this video a big like if you like videos like these, and go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload. I upload videos every single day, so go ahead, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out. Let's go ahead, let's get started. So basically I just want to unbox this little item by Louis Vuitton, and it came by DHL because I bought it off the pre-loved market. So it came and was delivered. So it should be really easy to go ahead and open. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this. It shouldn't take too long, just a small little unboxing reveal, you guys. It's a small tiny SLG item, and here it is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut through the little bubble wrap paper so we could reveal this little item. And I just wanted to get a little bit more organized in my Louis Vuitton handbags. So I figured I would go ahead and pick this item up off the pre-loved market, and I got a really good price on it. So I figured why not go ahead and jump on in and pick this item up. And I figured then that way I'd be a little bit more organized in my bags. Okay, so here it is right here, and you can see what it is already. It's basically a Louis Vuitton coin purse, and it's the older, I believe this is the older model, the older brand or the older model. I don't know for sure, but it's a Louis Vuitton coin purse, and it's so cute. And I like this one because it, you know, I try to pick them up in pretty good shape when I buy my pre-loved items. And you can see as far as glazing, there's not any real issues with the glazing. It looks pretty good. It looked pretty good on camera, but you never know until you get a pre-loved item in your hand and you're looking at it, you know, in person. It feels really nice. The little rivet button is still in pretty good condition and shape, and not, you know, not too rusted over or anything. Oh, she looks so pretty. It's really, really nice. So this is what it looks like under the flap. And you know, sometimes on these items, on this little change purse, this leather sometimes will be a little bit worn. And you can see this one doesn't have any cracking or anything. It looks pretty good. So far, it's a thumbs up, you guys. And let's look under this other little flap, because I do remember one little area on the picture where I thought I saw some glazing. But this is what it looks like on the interior right here. That's what it looks like. So you can see there's a little bit right there and a little bit of wear right there. And then let's look on the inside. This is what it looks like on the interior. So still pretty good, not so bad. Not so bad, you guys. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, I wanted to go ahead and pick this item up. And it's like a little accordion. So cute. It's like a little accordion. So I figured I would go ahead and put my coins in here, and it's one continuous piece of canvas. It's such a cute little coin purse. Okay, let me see, how does that, okay. So the snap, I'm not hearing it snap as, you know, as tight as I would like, but it is working. Okay, so what I wanted to do was just basically go ahead and get a little bit more organized in my bag here. So this is the bag that I'm carrying today, and this is how everything looks in my bag. It's how everything looks on down in there. So let's do a quick what's in my bag, and we'll try to be a little bit more organized with my change that's loose in the bottom of my bag and driving me crazy. So what I have in here are some masks. And I have a couple of K95, because those are the N95 masks. Those are supposed to be the best masks, you know, Dr. Fossey and the what is it called? I can't think of the name of the organization that runs all of that, but Dr. Fossey and them are saying that, I don't know if it's the WHO or the National Center on Disease or Control. They're saying that this is, so I went ahead and picked up some N95 masks, you guys. Okay. And then of course I have my aspirin, and I just picked this up at the dollar store, and it's the 500 milligrams, because if I have a headache, I find that this amount really helps me knock that headache out. And then I have my perfume that I'm carrying with me right now. And I have my reading glasses. I just stuck my reading glasses in my Key Australia sunglass case because I was wearing my Key Australia sunnies. I was wearing that out, and I think I left them on my dresser. So in the meantime, my real glasses were loose in my purse, so I didn't want them to get scuffed or scratched. So I just stuck them in the Key Australia sunglass case. And then I have a couple of card holders. So I have a couple of card holders in my bag, you guys. And then what else do I have in here? Now I have a snack, and this snack got so squished. That happens in our bag, ladies, right? My little Rice Krispie treat got so squished in my bag. And then I have some mints in here. I have a bunch of mints right here. And then I have a little gloss, just a little lip gloss. I think it's in a rum raisin lip color. And then all my loose change is down in the bottom of my bag, you guys. See it down in there? So it's down in there loosely in the bottom. You hear it rolling around? So let's go ahead and try this little baby out, shall we? Let's go ahead and put my change in my new little coin purse. I'm so excited about using this new little coin purse. Okay, so let me go ahead and get all this little change out of the bottom of my bag, because I don't like when that happens. And you know, as organized as you try to be, there will be a time when your change, you know, when you go through a drive-through or something, or you're at Walgreens or CVS or somewhere at the grocery store, and sometimes you just, you know, you throw those few little dollar bills and loose coins, loose change in the bottom of your bag. Okay, there we go. So now my little change is in here. And I'm going to go ahead. Now there's nothing in my bag, and I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in. Also, I wanted to fit, I have my, I'm using this as a wallet right now, my little YSL purse, my little YSL clutch. So I'm using this as my wallet, and I have my receipts and things and some cash in here. I have a few receipts and some cash in there. So I'm going to go ahead, and since this is the largest item, I'm going to put this in my bag first. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bag first. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the coin holder in there. And then I'm going to put the Key Australia sunglass case back in. And next, I'm going to put my two little card holders back in. And this is what everything is looking like so far. So I have the beauty makeup case with my receipts and my cash. The coin purse is in there. I don't know if you can see the coin purse because it's kind of almost at the bottom under the card holders. It's under, there it is. It's under the card holders right there. I'm gonna put the card holders on top. And then I have my Key Australia sunglass case right here. And next I'm gonna put my perfume back in. I'm gonna put my perfume back in, and then my mask. I have 3 of these separately wrapped, these N95s. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that in the back. And then my aspirin, I need my aspirin, you guys. And I don't think I'm gonna bring that little snack back with me, but I will throw a few of my little peppermints back in the bottom of my bag. So this is what everything is looking like right now. This is what everything looks like. I hope nothing falls out. I don't want this aspirin to roll out, but this is what everything is looking like back in my bag with my new little Louis Vuitton coin purse, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my aspirin back in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and secure my lovely Monceau. And it's not too stuffed, you guys. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So that's what she looks like. That's what she looks like. She does look like she's stuffed right here, but that, with this Monceau, that's just the way it is. Okay, that's the side of it, the bottom, the other side. So you see, she's not too stuffed or anything. And then I've been loving and enjoying this strap, and this is just the way that I've been wearing her. Go ahead and put her across me. So thank you for joining me for my unboxing, you guys, and my new Louis Vuitton coin purse. And I've really been enjoying wearing my Monceau with this strap. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And I'll see you again soon in another video.